When we say the Middle Atlas, we don't just mean the beautiful nature. We also mean the wildlife too. In this first part, we'll explore some of them. Woodchat shrike. This is a medium-sized passerine bird. It is a migratory bird and a very predatory one, capable of preying on a wide variety of living creatures. The Eurasian jay. A bird that lives in the forests of Morocco and in vast areas from Western Europe and Northwest Africa to Asia. It prefers to live in forests and scrublands, especially coniferous forests. The little owl lives in